Hello everyone, let's do this question and I read the question. So for x, we have this equation and as you can see we have three brackets here, x squared minus 1, close the bracket squared minus 2, close the bracket squared minus 3, close the bracket squared is equals to 4. The first thing guys we look is for the square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, guys this is what we have. So we have two solutions. That is, you can call Roman 1 with positive 2. Guys, it's only that I have not written the two equations. But the one with Roman, that is plus 2 is Roman 1. You can make an equation with plus 2 and another equation with negative 2. This remains the same. This one of the equation is plus 2, the other equation is negative 2. And so guys, we have two equations. I do the first one first. This one now contains 2. Now I can bring this 3 on this side so that now you get 5. So that is 5 and now I take the square root on both sides. So when I take the square root, this becomes plus or minus square root of 5 and this square is removed on this side. Guys, yet again we have two equations, one with positive 5, another one with negative 5, that is square root of 5. So guys, I'll do the first one. I can leave you now, you do this. So guys, do this and see what you will get, because I want to do the one with the positive 5. With the positive 5, guys, I come and now bring this negative 2 on this side. Bringing negative 2 on that side, this is what we have, and now come and find the square root on both sides. Finding the square root on both sides, guys, this comes now to plus or negative square root of 2 plus square root of 5. I can now bring this negative 1 on this other side, and now this is now the equation that I get. X squared equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 2 plus square root of 5. I can take the square root on both sides, and when I do that, guys, this is what I get as one of my solutions. So I have this first solution that I have gotten. And the second thing, guys, we go back to our equation right here, whereby now we are taking negative 2. And let's see what now happens. Taking negative 2, guys, now we take this negative 3 on this side, and we shall have now 1. Now I can take the square root here and the square root. When I take the square root on both sides, this becomes now plus or negative 1, and we have to get rid of these 2. And now we have another two equations. And so guys, I'll do this for plus 1 and you can do for the negative 1. And so therefore guys, I come and now equate that equation to 1. Then I can get this minus 2 on this side. And when I do that, guys, we have 3. And now take the square root on both sides. And now it means you'll have x squared minus 1 equals to plus or minus square root of 3. And therefore, guys, the x squared is going to be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3. And now I can take the square root. Taking the square root, guys, this is what I'm going to find. X equals to plus or minus square root of 1 plus or minus square root of 3. So guys, this is my second solution. Guys, you can now take for negative 1 and see what you get as your solution. And guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.